So, how to create users in DigitalMirror? You log in, then you select the role of administrator, not the school administrator, but general administrator. Then you click on users, then add new, you add the name, then email address, password will be generated automatically, but you need to add the school and the role of the school administrator. And it's important that this box is checked, is the role active. So yeah, you can add here the free text that who is this person actually, let's say that maybe he's ICT manager, let's say. And if you want, you could add another role for the same school. You could say that this guy is actually also the digital strategy manager while being ICT manager. And now you save it, and user will receive via email his password. That should be it. Should be quite trivial.